two AI powerhouses, Higgsfield and OpenArt, each with their own game-changing magic. Which one really delivers? On the left, Higgsfield, the cinematic VFX video generator with Hollywood-grade controls. And on the right, OpenArt, the versatile AI-powered image creation and editing platform. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you in 2025. Okay, here's our mind map for today. We're going to hit on all the big categories: pricing, primary use case, special features, performance and speed, target audience, technical capabilities, and of course, overall ratings. This way, there's no guesswork. You'll see the winner in each area, side by side. Let's kick it off with pricing. First up, Higgsfield. So they do have a basic plan at $9 a month. Sounds good, right? Except, the free plan? Pretty much useless. 5 credits and you're out. And each video costs nearly $50. Plus, all those crazy advanced VFX you see, locked unless you pay up for pricier tiers. Now, OpenArt. Their starter plan starts at $14, then it goes up. Hobbyist and pro plans run $26 and $56 respectively. The big win here, it's just so much clearer what your money gets you, even if there's not a real free tier with like a ton of stuff. Honestly, OpenArt's way more transparent, and for most folks, easier to budget for. So, OpenArt's nailing it in pricing. Moving along. Let's talk primary use case, which is honestly one of the most important bits. Higgsfield is all about cinematic video generation. We're talking advanced VFX like bullet time, crash zooms. Basically, you toss in an image and get this insane Hollywood-level video out of it. It's kind of a niche focus, though. So if you just want regular video, it's probably not your jam. OpenArt, though, it's the all-rounder. You get versatile image creation, built-in models, custom training, in-painting with references. Basically, if you want to play in the image editing sandbox, it's got you covered. But, and here's the catch, it doesn't do video. So if you want to make viral videos, Higgsfield is the actual star here. Special features? Oh, and here's where things get spicy. Higgsfield brings out FPV drone shots, earth zooms that have seriously taken over social media, crash zooms, and lip syncing with Speak. Plus, there's Higgsfield Canvas for even deeper image editing. Downside, kinda tricky to learn. And that cool Speak feature is trapped behind expensive plans. OpenArt, on the other hand, has a solid art suite powered by AI. Easy image editor tools, flexible model customization, and just a generally broader toolkit for creatives. But it's less about those viral video effects, you know? So if you want those wild cinematic touches, Higgsfield's got the edge. Quick, fun fact, did you know that the Earth zoom effect from Higgsfield absolutely blew up on Instagram? Like, creators worldwide have been using it. Most of them don't even realize it's powered by Higgsfield. How cool is that? All right, let's move to performance and speed. Higgsfield, the good. The videos look freaking amazing. Seriously, pro-level results. The bad. If you're on a free plan, grab a coffee while you wait. Generations are so slow, and it burns expensive credits fast, especially on lower-paid tiers. OpenArt. It's quicker, even at the starter levels. You just get your images cranked out faster in most cases. The video stuff isn't quite on the same level, but for images, it's way less frustrating, especially if you hate waiting around. OpenArt wins this round for overall speed. Hands down. Let's talk audience. Who's this stuff for, really? Higgsfield is building for filmmakers, social media creators, marketers who want viral videos, and honestly, some nerdy AI researchers. But real talk, you do need some budget if you want to get anywhere. OpenArt is a bit of a crowd pleaser for digital artists, designers, marketers, content folks, hobbyists, even professionals. But if you're only doing video stuff, it's not ideal. So honestly, it's kind of a tie. Both have their tribe. Now, technical capabilities. Higgsfield, wow. It's got an open source GPU orchestration framework, can handle trillion parameter model training, not a typo, and scales up for big enterprise needs. Plus, they've got a pile of seed funding behind them, which is just wild. Downside, if you're a casual user, the whole thing feels complicated fast. OpenArt is way more friendly. You hop in, the UI is easy. You can train models, customize, and it doesn't try to overwhelm you. But the infrastructure, not nearly as beastly as Higgsfield. So, Higgsfield is the tech powerhouse here. Last up, overall ratings. Higgsfield is still pretty bleeding edge. The tech is cool, but there aren't really any comprehensive ratings out there yet, which always makes me a bit hesitant. OpenArt, though, it's stacked. Nearly 4.7 out of 5 on accuracy, over 4.9 on performance and cost. Super easy to use, and even customization is rated highly. Their customer support could be better, but overall, OpenArt clearly takes it here. All right, here's a quick radar chart recapping everything. You can see where each platform dominates, or kind of flops, in every category. OpenArt does especially well in pricing, speed, and overall ratings, while Higgsfield owns the niche VFX and technical innovation categories. Makes it easy to pick what matters most to you. So here's my honest opinion. If you want to craft viral videos that look like they were shot by a Hollywood team, and you've got some budget, go for Higgsfield. But if you're mostly working with images, want to keep costs low, and appreciate a more flexible toolset, OpenArt is where you should start. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next